Talking about a cow eating grass. Look at it. He's giving out. He's done wore his stuff out. He's tired. This asparagus, I'm guessing close to 5 years old. I haven't really maintained it, but I'm working on it again. The roots on this thing will go 15, 18, 20 foot deep. They go down. Now you can do it in two ways. You can plant the seeds, the berries, which will turn red at the end of the season. If you don't mess with them, the birds will eat them. All right? Or you can plant the roots. Leave it planted for at least 3 years. Look, see how it's starting to come around? This is a younger one. It's coming around. So I'm gonna let it alone for at least another year or so. Then I'll start harvesting. It makes a good crop. You plant it once, it just keeps on growing, keeps on growing. Now, my big tree, here's a good thing. I mean, that freeze killed it. And it sprouted back with 6 or 8 of these shoots. I cut them all off at 2. I'm gonna let 2 of them grow. The rest of it I'm keeping cut back. The old native fig tree, this is the original tree. I had it planted in the back over here by the fence. I had to move a trailer in for different reasons. I dug it up, threw the roots against the back fence. It laid back there like 2 years. I got up one day, it was back there cutting grass, and that thing was sprouting. So I moved it over behind the house over here before I built the house. Okay? When I started building the house, I had to move it again. So I dug it up, brought it out here. And I finally got it growing. And guess what? The freeze killed it, slammed down to the ground.
Yeah, you can see it, folks. So, okay, my dad and I have a rule of thumb. We cut back until we start seeing flexibility or white. And once he cut it back to here, which, I mean, look at that. That's all that was left. Look how thick. So you know that fig tree was really coming on up. But if you'll leave it rooted, if you'll cover the ground with mulch, it will protect the roots from the freeze, and it is the roots that will regrow. Same with citrus, apple, pears, the whole 9 yards. Guys, here's a perfect example of intercropping. So this isn't, okay, reuse, recycle, up purpose, anything. This was once a pond. He filled it in. Now you've got blackberry bushes around the exterior part. You've got a tomato bush. You've got carrots. You have lettuce. All of that in one small area. This is how you grow food in small areas, intercropping, cutting down on your pests. Each one of these plants, right? They use different nutrients.
The seeds, I just throw them in there.
Yeah.
That's what that is. It's growing.
Yeah,
That's
and I heard once that carrots love tomatoes. If you will grow your carrots underneath your tomato bushes, you get sweeter tomatoes, bigger carrots. That's a free tip for you guys. Hit the like, comment, subscribe, because everybody loves America's Pawpaw. I noticed you got some fresh cardboard going on here.
Yeah, this bed has nothing growing in it. So what I do, I take cardboard, see, lay it down. Then this, you see, but look back here. Anytime I pull grass or weeds, I'll throw it in on top of the cardboard. Now when I get ready to use this bed, that cardboard will be gone. That'll be rotted down in the compost, and I won't have to worry about a thing. It stays prepped. See there? Look. Look at that. Look how black that dirt is.
That's gorgeous. So my dad's motto is prep it today, use it next year, folks.
Right.